Hunter 350 from Enfield is an old school motorcycle with a lot of modern element in its design and engine. This vehicle comes with 349cc single cylinder 4-stroke single overhead cam engine which produces 20.4 PS of power at 6100 rpm and 27 Newton meter of torque at 4000 rpm. This is an air cooled engine. It comes with 5-speed manual transmission. This is of course a BS6 engine which comes with fuel injection property. At the front, company has offered 41mm telescopic forks and those forks are covered with fork boots. And at the back, this vehicle comes with twin tube emulsion shock absorber with 6-step adjustable preload. This vehicle is built on twin down tube spine frame. The curb mass is 181 kgs. The wheelbase is 1370 mm. The ground clearance is 150 mm. Actually, there is 150.5 mm. And the fuel tank capacity is 13 liters. Both the wheels are 17 inch. At the front, Hunter 350 comes with 110 by 70 section wheel, and at the rear, the wheel is of 140 by 70 section. Both the wheel comes with tubeless tires, and of course the wheels are alloy built. This is a cruiser segment motorcycle. The engine used in this vehicle is newly developed J series engine by Enfield with the help of few engineers from United Kingdom, and this engine is very smooth and vibration free. I'll definitely share the riding experience with you in later videos. From the safety point of view, this vehicle comes with dual disc and dual channel ABS, and the anti-lock braking system used in this vehicle is properly tuned for Indian conditions, Indian roads. Suspensions are properly tuned for Indian roads. Sitting position, sitting posture, etc. are offered as per Indian choice. A lot of color option. Talking about the meter console, this vehicle comes with DG analog instrument cluster, and the console section of this vehicle definitely adds a charm to this vehicle. Controls and switches are same as Meteor 350, and these are innovative move by Enfield. On-the-go charging facility is also offered in this vehicle. So friends, this is all for now. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching Chandan Talks.